All right, everybody, Tow family, I'm here with Beau White at Tow and Recovery Academy with the headsets that Ron brought me the other day from Sonetics. These things are awesome. I don't have any experience with them, so I come to the man that does. This is a great trainer here in Tampa. He's got a couple spots left open in his class this weekend, and these will be there. He will be showing people the headsets and how they function and how they're safe and can improve your efficiency roadside. So, Beau, tell me what you think about these things.
Well, first, Ron, thank you for allowing Tow and Recovery Academy to show these the best headsets that are on the market. The newer systems will allow you to still hear your operator, but you can also hear what's going on around you. So that's what makes these set better. Not just that, now they made them Bluetooth. So I can connect these to my cell phone, which is awesome.
Yeah. What if you have to call the office, law enforcement, DOT, somebody's trying to get a hold of you, your phone's in the truck where it probably should be on the scene of an accident. The guy running the scene should be able to have the ability to reach his office or call more law enforcement or a tire truck or somebody else out to assist to finish the recovery. I really think that is a pretty cool way of being able to communicate besides just communicating with your operators what's going on. Blue winch line, red winch line, stop, go, get out of the way, car coming. These things are awesome, and to be able to hear everything around you is a safety issue. If you can't hear cars coming or trucks coming or somebody yelling at you that don't have one of these on, that could suck and it could be bad. Right. So I think these things are super cool.
And this also, having a Bluetooth allows us to still communicate to dispatch, communicate to the phone calls, us as managers. You know, I'm on the scene, I go to all the accident scenes, right? So if I have a Bluetooth set on and my phone's still ringing, I still can help my team that's somewhere else. So I still will take another question and answer my phone, which I think is awesome, which they're coming in custom colors. So what Ron does is they custom these things. So you can make these come out in any color.
Well, he did them in green and yellow for me.
There you go.
So I dig Ron. He showed up with these in the green and yellow. I was like, he's like, this feels like me. That's awesome.
You know, mine will come purple, right? So the way these work is it comes with a base. So this base here is what we would use to hang this up on. Usually, back in the day, we'll set it on a seat or something like that, and set it up on the body, and you will forget about it, right? And you don't want this to fall off. So it comes with this hook here, which is about 300 or 400 pound hook, which we would put on our D-ring, hang it up there, which is the base, right?
Yes.
And then what we do is when you turn this base on, and you would actually turn these on, and they'll sync. And once they sync, then you can just communicate to whoever's out there on the scene with you. This different than anybody else is that you can go 1,600 feet away, which we're usually not 1,600 feet away, but you can go 1,600 feet away and still have clear communications, no static, no breakup. You're literally, like we're talking right now, you can be 1,600 feet away from me and still have clear communication. So that's what makes these safe. Not just that, you can link up to 15 units to this, right?
That's pretty dope.
So you can tether this here to another base and you can add up to 15 people, which we usually don't have 15 people. It's usually maybe 5 headsets on at a time, which this will link up to 5 headsets. And I believe it's, this unit here is 24 hours. This is a 24-hour communication. So the battery will last for 24 hours. Do we communicate on the accident scene for 24 hours? No, but it will run for 24 hours.
Yes, this, I was told it has 24 hours of talk time.
Yes.
Up to 30 hours total.
Standby, total. Exactly. So and then what these they will go on sleeper mode. It will go into sleep. But if you leave the base off, if the base turns off, these things will cut off also.
Yes. And one of the things I asked him, I said, would this go into sleep mode or turn off on its own? He's like, no.
No, the headsets will.
Yeah, if you do not turn this off and you do not plug it in, when you take it out of your truck next time, it will be dead.
But the good thing about this is it comes with 2 different chargers. So it has a charger that you can plug in if you have an inverter in your truck, or you can charge it at your house or at your home base, wherever you keep the unit at. But it comes with the cigarette charger. So this is what I had back in my day in my unit. I would plug this in, it plugs in on the side of the box. You'll take this here, plug it inside of the box, plug it up, and you're good to go.
One other thing I thought was cool about these is everything has the same charger, and it's a common charger. So like he was telling me, say Beau was the head guy of a risk team, that's all he did. He wasn't here, he wasn't there, he's in a heavy every day. Beau can keep these in his truck for his Bluetooth headset as an everyday use.
Yep.
It does not have to be in here. He can charge these in his cab, so he can keep them used we know you're not allowed to drive around with your phone jacked to your ear in a commercial vehicle.
Exactly.
So this eliminates that. That gives the operator hands-free all the time. And if something's going on, because of the microphones are here on the bottom, he can still hear the traffic around him. He can maybe hear a radio in the truck if y'all have two-way radios. People still use them. I was blown away.
Yeah.
You can hear any kind of alert from like tow books, stuff like that. Unless that probably comes through the headphones. I think about it.
That's what makes this set unique.
So these things are super cool. Everybody with a risk team or heavy recovery should have these things, man. It's going to help people come home. It's going to help you finish the job faster and safer, in my opinion.
At the end of the day, if you want to be the best, you got to have the best, and you got to have the best equipment. There's no other company out there that has this type of headset.